Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Airbnb login problems, verification and security fix step by step clearly. Open the Airbnb app or go to Airbnb.com and make sure you are using the official version. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Update the Airbnb app from the App Store or Google Play to avoid bugs that block login. If you use a browser, clear cache and cookies. Then restart the browser completely. Try an incognito or private window to test whether an extension or stored data is causing the problem. Tap Login and choose Forgot Password if you cannot remember your password. Create a new password that is long and unique. Then save it in a trusted password manager. Return to the login page and enter your email address or phone number exactly as registered. Check for typing errors, extra spaces, or the wrong country code on your phone number. If you do not receive the verification code, wait 2 minutes and tap Resend Code once. Check your spam, junk, and promotions folders if the code is sent by email. Confirm your phone can receive SMS by disabling Do Not Disturb and checking blocked numbers. If SMS still fails, select the option to receive the code by call or by email if available. Make sure the date and time on your phone are set to automatic to prevent code validation errors. If you see a security warning, follow the prompts to confirm it is really you. Complete any identity verification request by uploading a clear photo of your ID if Airbnb asks. Take the ID photo in good light and ensure all corners and text are visible. If selfie verification appears, remove hats and glasses and match the on-screen pose exactly. If your account is locked, stop repeated attempts and wait the indicated time before trying again. Check your email for a message from Airbnb about suspicious activity and follow the secure link only. Go to your email account settings and change that password if you suspect your email was compromised. Enable two-step verification on your email and on Airbnb when you regain access. Review connected devices in your Airbnb account and sign out of any device you do not recognize. Turn off VPN or proxy services because they can trigger security blocks during login. If you use public Wi-Fi, switch to a trusted network to avoid verification failures. If you log in with Google or Apple, confirm you are using the same provider account as before. Delete and reinstall the Airbnb app if problems continue after updates and cache clearing. Contact Airbnb support through the Help Center and provide screenshots of the exact error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.